Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is, well, let me get it first. This is a 5 looks 1 palette on the ta-da, Urban Decay Naked Cherry. Now, I know this has been out for a little while. If you hear my cat eating, I apologize, he eats really loud. But this has been out for a hot minute and it's basically permanent, so I know people are probably gonna be like, oh, it took you forever to come out with this video, it's not interesting anymore, but I thought coming up with 5 looks for one, especially such a monochromatic palette, would be really fun, and I'm starting to do this with more of my palettes because I want to use them and I want to get looks out of them and hang out with you guys and show you, and I love doing looks.
I know you're gonna dig this.